Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. You guys can see by the brand called Sboly. And pretty much what it is a 5-blade spiralizer that you can use to cut up your vegetables, potatoes, or make your own pasta or whatever the case may be. So you guys can see in the picture, you guys can literally get all of that stuff in here. So first thing first, let me actually unbox it and show you guys what comes out the package first before we do the test and all that good stuff. So when you first open the package, you guys can see all that good stuff inside. So here we have all the different blades on here of what you guys can use. And then here is the actual product itself. You guys can see the Spiralizer. And then last but not least, they provide you a little storage container to help store your vegetables or whatever the case may be. And obviously if you guys get a container, you guys need a lid. And last but not least, they provide you the instruction guide and manual on how to set up the product and how to use it. So this is the plastic container that they provide you right here that will carry a lot of stuff. You guys can see the size comparison is quite big. The lid, you guys can literally just put it on top like this. Very easy and very simple to use. So pretty much how it works is that you guys would put your product right here to stick on like your zucchini, your cucumbers, and whatever, and then you guys can just keep turning and turning, and it'll come out from this side right here. You guys can see. So the blade that's already on here is called a flat blade, and this is the ribbons. So it'll start making like vegetables that are like ribbons and all that good stuff. And then if you guys look right here, there's 2 other slots to put your other blades on here. And the other blades that you guys can see right here, that's for spaghetti and fettuccine. And then the other blades that are in here that you guys haven't seen yet are like the curly fries and angel hair ones. So you get a total of 5 different blades to use. And you guys can see on the other side right here is where you guys can clip it on to make sure it's in place so it won't fall when you guys are using the product. On this side, if you guys can see, there's an on and off option where you can twist it. So when you guys twist this one to off, that means it's off. And what it means by off is the bottom section right here, the suction cup. So when it's on, that means it sucks it on so that way it won't move. So when you guys are actually cutting the product, this part will be sucked in on the on option so it won't move when you guys are actually cutting the product. On this side, we have a release button, and what this means is that when you guys release it, then this part is able to come off. So right now, you guys can see I can't remove it, but once I click the release button, it comes off, and you guys put it back on, it clicks. So it holds it in place for all kind of safety and whatnot. So pretty much how it works is that when you guys are using this product, there's a little handle right here where you guys will hold it in place. So when you guys are using it, just keep turning, and we guys want to move it forward, you just use this knob right here to push it forward, backwards, and forward like that. And that's why we have the suction part in the bottom to hold it in place, that when you guys are cutting it, it won't move. So I'll show you guys a sample right now and then come back and talk about the product. Right now we're going to be using the flat blade ribbon to cut this ginger up to show you guys how it works. So you guys can see from the other side, the ginger is coming out slowly. So when you guys are using this, you want to make sure that you're really pushing the ginger all the way in, otherwise it won't work. Or not even ginger, any kind of vegetable or whatever you guys want to cut up, so your cucumbers or whatever the case may be. And I'm sorry for the angle because I can't really have anyone film me doing it, so I'm doing it myself. And then when you guys are finished cutting up, you guys can see this is what happens right here. So the hole that's being stuck inside the Spiralizer holds this part up, so pretty much this part kind of goes to waste unless you have like a thing to cut up. So eventually later on you have to cut this part up, so you guys can see. I believe every one of the blades has the same design, so you guys can see right here, same thing, but each one just has like this own purpose. So this one is for more of like a ribbon kind of design, whereas some of the other ones has like curly fries and angel hair and etc, etc. But this is kind of like a result of showing you guys what it looks like when you start cutting the ginger. You guys can see there are slices right here that work. So pretty much this is like a sample of what it looked like when you actually use it. And then when it comes to cleaning, it's very easy to clean. You guys can just remove all the parts and just spray it down with water. If you guys want to use a brush, you guys can as well. But what I'm going to do is just use this yellow part of the sponge right here to kind of clean it up a little bit. But the blade slide, you guys don't actually need to use this, or you guys can, but it won't be really smart, because if you guys use it to wash it, the blade might cut off all the sponge out and your sponge will be no use anymore. So what you guys can do is just use the brush that they provide you, or just rinse it with water, with some high pressure water, and you guys are pretty much all set. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see it's actually quite easy to use, and all the different kind of blade is actually really easy to use, and you guys can literally just make anything with it. pastas, cut up cucumbers, cut up any vegetables, potatoes, and etc. Very easy to use, very easy to clean up as well. All you have to do is just bring the blades onto the water, rinse it out, and if you guys need to, use the brush to kind of like brush it off, so you guys won't have to use your hands to wash it. So with all that being said and showing you guys the test of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around like $24 to $27, around that price range. But for that price range, would I say that it's actually worth it or not? So honestly, if you guys like to eat vegetable and are too lazy to cut up the vegetables and whatnot, then this product is really worth it. You're getting a free container that comes inside the package. You guys get 5 different blades to cut up the vegetables or pasta however you guys want to, fettuccine, angel hair, curly fries, etc. And the way how this product is built is really nice. It has a safety function where you can suck the product into the table so it won't move. You guys get this handle to push it forward and backwards, and then the turning part to turn it when you guys are going through the little knife blade to go through. And then you guys get a very nice kind of release option to protect it from moving when you guys are cutting the blade and whatnot. So overall, really amazing product if you guys are trying to look for some kind of vegetable spiralizer in general. If you guys don't need this or don't want this or have no use for this, then obviously don't buy it, and this product is not for you guys. But other than that, that's pretty much just for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for the Veggie Squad Fan Shout Day, we have